Monomial factoring is like finding the GCF of each terms and then factoring it out and writing the remaining or the other factor in a parenthesis. So, ang ipapakita ko sa inyo ay kung paano ako maghanap ng GCF. And it will be your guide para mas madaling i-apply ang common monomial factoring. This way is for beginner's way. So, kapag nasanay na po kayong common monomial factoring, you don't need to do this anymore. This process. Kasi minsan, pag sanay ka na, you could easily get the GCF by just looking at the given. Kasi this is just a common monomial factoring. Pero kung hindi ka pa sanay mag-factoring ng common monomial, let me show you kung paano ko yung ginagawa. Ginagamit ko yung listing method ng pag-prime factorization so that I will see kung ano yung magiging greatest common factor nila. So, ganito yung process. I will just show you first using A numbers. Hindi muna yung later na kung na ipapakita to. Okay, so let me show you how to find the GCF of 27, 54, and 42. Okay. So, kagaya ng sabi ko, I am doing the listing method of prime factorization. So, I will be listing the prime factors. So, yung 27, ang prime factors niyan ay 3 times 3 times 3. Yung 54 naman, ang factor ng 54 is 9 times 6. Wherein 9 could be factored as 3 times 3 and 6 can be factored as 3 times 2. As you can see, ina-align ko po yung similar fraction. Kasi nga, we will be getting the greatest common factor. 42 could be factored as 6 times 7, where 6 could be factored as 3 times 2. Pwede ko din namang isulat yung 3 na to dun sa unahan. Pero dito ko na lang inalign since kapareho naman. Meron pa rin naman dun sa taas. Para hindi kayong malito, let's just write it on this part. And then, times 2. And 6 pa lang yan. So, times 7. At dito ko sinulat kasi wala siyang kaparehong factor sa taas. Ang ginagawa ko dyan, nilalagyan ko yan ng line. Actually, line yung separator ko in writing the factors. And then, i-check ko dyan kung, di ba dahil tatlo yung hinanapan ko ng GCF, dapat, ano yung tatlo sila, lahat sila meron. Anong factor? So, this is 3. Ito kulang na, ito wala si 42, wala si 42, ito wala si 27, ito wala si 54 and 27. So, we could say that the GCF of 27, 54, and 42 is 3. Sa iba, madali lang ma-identify yon. Pero, para sa mga hindi sanay or mabilis makaisip, this is one of the detailed method in finding the GCF. And Sa common monomial factoring, as you can see, this is a polynomial. Polynomial yan. So, dito, ito yung magiging GCF na nasa labas. And then, yung ito, kunin nyo yung product niyan. Yan yung magiging nasa loob ng parenthesis if this is our polynomial. So, let me now show you. Next is, papakita ko kung paano gagawin to dito sa polynomial na ito. Let's factor the 4y squared minus 8y. For some, madaling isipin agad kung ano ang kanilang GCF. But again, just like I told you, ipapakita ko po siya in detailed way para dun sa mga hindi agad nagigets or naiisip kung ano yung GCF. Okay, so let's factor now the 4y squared minus 8y. So I will be showing you the factors of this. I will write it in prime factors para mas madaling makita kung ano yung kaniyang magiging GCF. 4 could be factored as 2 times 2. Yung negative 8 naman, mamaya na yung negative na yan sa final answer na lang. So, 8 could be factored as 2 times 2 times 2. Ngayon naman, ang technique natin sa variable, dapat yung common letter nila. Yung, ano yung mababang exponent na common letter nila. So, as you can see, yung isa y squared, yung isa y. So, ano ba mas mababa? Yung y squared o yung y? So, itong dalawa yung y niya, diba? So, ito, isa lang. Okay? So, ngayon, yung GCF natin is 2y. Pareho silang may 2, pareho silang y. Yun yung GCF natin. Yun yung isusulat natin dito sa labas, which is 2y. Ngayon, para malaman ko ano yung other factor, ano ba yung natira kay 4y squared? Yung hindi na, di ba, nakuha na natin to and to kasi that is your GCF. Ano yung natira kay 4y squared? 2y. So, 2 times y is 2y. Ngayon, para malaman nyo kung anong sign, yun lang, kung ano yung sign nun, minus. And then, ano naman ang natira kay 8y or negative 8y? Andun na yung negative. So, we have 2 times 2, that's 4. And then, enclose it with close parenthesis. So, ito yung answer natin in finding the factor of 4y squared minus 8y squared. Okay, let's do that again on number 2, which is the 2x cubed minus 6x squared plus 10x. Gawin din natin yung ginawa ko kanina. So, dahil 2x cubed to, ang factor niya ay 2. Mamaya na pala yung number. So, ito muna. Negative 6x squared and positive 10x. So, 2 lang yung factor ni 2. Si negative 6 naman could be factored as 3 times 2. So, hindi natin pwede isulat yung 3 dito kasi nga ina-align natin yung common factor nila. So, yung 2 yung lalagay ko dito, yung 3 naman dito. And then, doon naman sa 10, it is 5 times 2. So, again, we will not write 5 here. Dapat nagsusulat natin yung kapareho niya lang sa taas. So, that is 2. And then, this is, dito natin isusulat yung 5 kasi hindi naman kapareho ng 3. And then, ilang x meron tayo dito? 3, ito 2, ito 1. So, ilan yung pinakamababa? 1. Na common nila ha, common lang dapat. And then, so, kung nakuha na natin yung isang x dito, ilan na lang x to? 2. Ito naman, nakuha na natin yung isang x, may matitira pang x. Ayan. Inalign ko na to kasi wala naman nang nakasulat dito. Kasi isa lang naman yung x niya. Okay, now, let's see. Ano yung tatlo silang kompleto? Kasi we have 3 terms. So, itong 2 at itong x. So, 2 times x is 2x. Yan. And then, lagay natin sa parentheses, ano yung natira kay 2x? Cube. Yung sa unang term natin, ang natira ay x squared. So, x squared yung nasa unahan. And then, dahil negative to, minus yung lalagay natin. Ano namang natira kay negative 6x squared? 3. And then, x. 3 times x is 3x. And then, natira naman kay 10x, as you can see, 5 lang. At dahil positive si 10, plus 5. Oops. Okay, and then ganun pa rin yung gagawin ko dun sa 8x raised to 4 minus 12x cubed plus 24x squared. So, dito ko na ipapakita sa baba. 8x squared, 8x raised to 4 pala. Could be factored as 2 times 2 times 2. Number muna yung i-factor ko. And then, yung negative 12x cube ay could be factored as 2 times 2 times 3. Again, hindi ko sinulat yung 3 dito kasi hindi niya kapareho yung nasa taas. And then, yung 24x squared could be factored as 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. And then, yung variable nila, tingnan natin ano yung pinakamababa. X raised to 4. Pareho sila, lahat sila may x. Okay? And then, yung common nila, o yung pinakamababang variable is x squared. So, sulatan natin dito x squared, x squared, x squared. And then, kapag kinuha ko yung x squared dito, ilan matitira? 2. Ito, pag kinuha ko yung x squared, matitiran pa tayo ng isa. Ito naman, wala na kasi x squared lang yan. Okay, and then you will see yung common nilang tatlo kasi 3 terms to. So, ito, and ito. So, our GCF, dito ko na sa baba isusulat, our GCF is 4x squared. And our other factor, o ano yung natira sa 8x raised to 4, yung 2 at yung x squared. And then, kay negative 12x cubed, so dahil negative, minus isusulat natin, ang natira naman ay 3 at x. So, 3x. And then, kay 24x squared naman, ang natira naman ay 2 times 3, which is 6. At dahil positive naman sa given yung 24 natin, so plus 6. Okay. So, it is already factored completely kapag, or nakuha nyo na yung GCF niya, kapag yung bawat term na natira, dapat they are relatively prime to each other. Ibig sabihin, ang common factor na lang ng mga terms natin, lahat sila, dapat ang term na factor na common sila ay 1 na lang. Okay, that's how you factor by the common monomial factoring.